Halo sis.
Halo, Bro Dirian.
Uh, Sorry for being late. Thank you for
Mhm.
waiting.
Oke, no worries, nggak apa-apa. Are you just finished your work?
Uh, Actually no. I finished from like 5 p.m. Like
Mhm.
yeah 5 p.m. But uh, I just like the how you say suasana environment
Suasana, ambience.
suasana ambience the ambience office gitu.
Office
Yeah.
ambience.
Oh, office ambience. Sorry. Yeah, I
Mhm.
just like the office ambience. Actually, this office, I can stay in here like 24 hours if I want because
Oh,
I
really?
yes. Yeah, I want to bring this less
Okay, okay,
yeah
all
in here lah.
right. So, is that because of the facilities that you can find in your office?
Sorry.
Okay. You say that you are very comfortable
Oh
with the
yes,
ambience in office,
yes,
right?
yes.
Mm-hmm. Why is it? Is it because of the facilities or other?
Mm, oh, the facilities. Uh, yes. Actually, in the weekdays,
Mm-hmm.
I live in a mess that the office give me.
Okay.
Uh, from Monday until Thursday or Friday, but and in the weekend, actually, usually in Friday night, I just go to my parent home. Uh, in the weekend, I just go to my parent home. Uh, and in my room in mess, the the ambient is not that comfortable like this, like in
Mm-hmm.
here. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's why you
yeah,
feel more home in the office rather than in your
yes,
dormitory.
yes, yes. That's right.
Okay.
Like yesterday, I tried to the I tried the Zoom meeting in there, and the network quality is not that good,
Mm-hmm.
and also about the chair, it's not that comfort also,
Mm-hmm.
and there is no monitor, the additional monitor for me. Yeah. But in the office in this place, I get one additional computer or monitor and office chair and the good Wi-Fi, good signal, and it's
Mm-hmm.
more comfort for me.
I see, I see. All right. But you are allowed to do other things. I mean, like apart from your work in your office.
Oh yes, yes, it's
Oh,
low.
I see. Okay. Because I heard
Sometimes,
that
yeah.
so many office like they have their own rules that if
Uh,
the employee do other thing apart from work, they are not allowed to use the office facilities.
yes, yes. Actually, in here, they allowed me to use the facilities. Sometimes I also, if I get some another project or side project out
Mm-hmm.
of the office, I just uh, doing the project in here, finish the
Oh,
project in this place, and
I
it's
see. I
not
see.
worry from for them.
I see. So how long it takes time for you to commute from your office to your dormitory?
My dormitory, it's around like uh, usually I walk from my dormitory to this office. It's
Mm-hmm.
around like no 10 minutes. Around 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
It's uh like 800 meters maybe.
Okay.
Yeah, but sometimes I use the city transportation or angkot ya.
Okay. I
Uh,
see. Right.
and
All right.
with angkot it just takes like 2 or 3 minutes.
Oh, okay. So it's pretty close.
Yeah, it's pretty close.
Okay. All right. And then, so it's provided for every employee?
What's the dormitory?
Yes.
The dormitory it's depends of the slot ya.
Mm-hmm.
In they have the dorms in Yogyakarta and in the Jakarta, but and you can stay in the dormitory if the slot is available.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay. With additional cost.
Uh, the cost is just like monthly cost to pay the wifi and
Mm-hmm.
uh, apa ya, biaya kebersihan apa clean clean paid or clean
Yeah,
biaya
maybe you can
kebersihan.
say cleaning fee.
Yes, cleaning fees, cleaning fee or fee. Yeah, that's a fee.
Mhm. Fee.
Yes, cleaning fee.
Oh, okay. So you don't have to pay additional fee for rent. It's for free,
Yes, the rent
basically.
it's for free. It's include the electric and the water also.
Electricity.
The electricity, yes, the electricity fee. The electricity and water free.
Okay, all right. That's great then. Okay, so for today, Bro Drian, we would like to talk about a topic. Probably it's kind of interesting topic to talk about, especially when you live in a big city such Jakarta. We would like to
Okay.
talk about transportation.
Ah,
Yes.
okay.
So talking about transportation, do you prefer using public transportation or private one?
Actually, I more love the private one, the private
Mhm.
transportation like motorcycle or the car maybe.
Mhm. Okay.
Because in public transportation, especially in working hours or
Mhm.
like yes in the morning
Mhm.
when the every people use the public transportation
Mhm.
to uh, go to their office, it's
Mhm.
very um, it's um, wait, uh, ah, ramai apa?
Crowded.
Uh, Crowded, yes, it's very crowded
It's
and
very
it's
crowded.
not that comfort for me.
Oh, I see. But do you often to use public transportation to commute to go anywhere?
Unfortunately, yes.
Mm.
Every morning, Monday, and every night or every evening in Thursday or
Mhm.
Friday, I always use the public transportation one.
Okay.
In in the Monday morning, usually I use like the bus.
Mhm.
In the Monday morning, I use three types of the public transportation. The first
Okay.
one is a bus. It's a uh, uh, swasta bus apa swasta atau swasta kayak uh, not not government have ya, apa bukan 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 Transjakarta itu kan apa
Oh, okay. Probably
uh,
you can say it private bus.
the private bus
Mhm.
the private bus uh, from any company, the company that provide uh, that called AO bus. I used it from uh, my hometown city that's called Cikarang. until the first stop bus trans station. Uh, that's called Jati Bening. And from Jati Bening, I use the Transjakarta, the the major Transjakarta. It's from Bekasi to Cawang, and I
Okay.
use that. And yeah, like in Transjakarta, it's very crowded.
Mm-hmm.
I never get the chair when I use that one.
Okay.
Never. From like 10 months I use that, I never. Oh yeah, in hours. Sorry, in office hours, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I never got the chair one. I
Okay.
always stand in there.
Mm-hmm. All right. So you never had opportunity to get the chair at all
Yes,
during this 10 month you commute.
yes, that's right. I never get the opportunity.
Okay, wow. How long it takes time for you to commute from your house in Cikarang to
Mm-mm.
Halim every Monday morning?
Okay. Until I arrive at my office, it takes time like mm, mm, 1.5 hour.
1.5
But
hour.
one and a half hour. But sometimes when the way it's got very traffic,
Mm-hmm.
uh, it will take like 2 hours.
Okay, wow. Gratefully, you don't need to commute every day.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, okay, all right. And what about if you go back on Thursday evening?
Ah, on Thursday evening, I just use one public transportation.
Mhm.
I use Prima Jasa the major that I use. Uh, the the major of the bus that I use is called Cililitan to Tasik or Cililitan to Garut. And I use that one, and I uh, get out of the bus in the uh, pinggir in the edge of the highway.
In the
Apa?
edge of
Pinggir,
highway?
ya, pinggir jalan apa? Pinggir tol apa?
Okay, so is
Near
it
ya?
allowed?
Near of highway atau apa?
Oh,
Gimana?
okay. Di pinggir jalan.
Yes, yes, pinggir jalan tol, lebih tepatnya
Oh,
jalan
okay.
tol.
You can say on the side of road,
On the side of
the road, atau the
the road.
roadside bisa.
The, oh yeah,
Mhm. Roadside, pinggir jalan.
roadside. But I want to mention that tolnya gitu, apa?
The highway?
The highway-nya ya, the highway road ya, benar, highway.
Yes.
Because it's not uh, uh, it's not usual ya, stop in the highway road, the
Mhm.
side of highway road
Right.
gitu ya, I think.
Yeah, so is it allowed? I mean, like, have you ever get in trouble because of that?
Uh, no, no. I never got a trouble from that because I think they usually yeah, usually doing something like that because but not uh but it just like some famous point, the stop point gitu.
Okay,
Yeah.
I see, I see. So it's common for people to get on and get off in that point.
Yes. That's right.
Okay, I see, I see. How much did you spend for one way?
For one way,
Mhm.
uh, uh, Mm, in the Monday morning, when I apa berangkat ya, go to my office, it's usually takes like uh, four oh no, like 30 until 35 thousand rupiah. But
Okay.
when I go to my home, I think with Prima Jasa, I just that's similar, around 30 30 until 35,000
Mm,
rupiah.
okay, around that money. And then what do you think is the advantages based on your experience? What do you think the advantages of taking public transportation like bus or train?
Oh, the opportunity,
The advantages,
the advantage, the
yes,
advantage with
the
public
positive
transportation.
side.
The positive side, I think it's cheap, yeah, because it's cheap for me,
Mm-hmm.
uh, and in the bus I can get uh, a little time to take a rest,
Okay.
like 30 or uh, 90 minutes or 1 hour,
Mm-hmm.
and it's for me it's one of the advantage that I get if I use the public transport like the private bus.
Okay.
But actually, I can get the cheaper more with the public transportation, the other public transportation like the KRL one or the with train,
Mm-hmm.
but it's more crowded and I think it's uh yeah, more crowded lah, and I don't like it.
Mhm. Have you ever overslept in the public transportation during commuting?
Yes. Actually, I ever to slap in when I use the public transportation. Uh, it happened when I use the bus. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
uh, I slept and I missed the stopping point. Yeah. Because in uh, the my stopping point in Monday morning, and that's called Jati Bening, it's the one only stopping point when you use the Transjakarta.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Until after uh yeah, one of stopping point that the my private bus can stop. So when I visit one, it will take me to Komdak, and it's very far from my office, or from Halim, and
Mm-hmm.
I ever I and I have uh, uh, ya apa pernah terjadi gitu. Eh, Pernah terjadi, saya pernah mengalami gitu. I ever happen to
Yeah.
me that
Okay.
that situation.
I see. I see. You can say, I have ever experienced.
I have ever experienced.
Yeah.
I have a
Okay. All right. And then what did you do at the moment? So you have to turn back
ah
by other
yes.
transportation?
Yes, because uh, I'm late in that moment,
Mm-hmm.
I need to the private one like Gojek or Ojek, because when
Mm-hmm.
if I use the public transportation again, it will more take time, and so I need to use the private one or
Mm-hmm.
Ojek, and it will giving the fastest time of
Mm-hmm.
transport in that moment. But
Mm-hmm.
the bad side-nya I need to pay more.
Yeah, of course. Okay, okay. So when you say that you have ever overslept on the bus, it means that you sleep while you stand?
No, no, no. Sorry. I sleep in the private bus one.
Oh,
Oh
okay.
yes, yes,
Okay.
not on
Because
Transjakarta.
yeah, because there are so many people they have like, special
Oh yeah,
skill. They can sleep
oh yes, yes.
while they stand.
I have actually I also often saw it, and it's very I amazed with that people how she can stay stand at there when the bus it's the both it's so apa ya, bad gitu ya, like
Mhm.
when they gas or apa gas rem apa when they stop or when they move.
Yeah, I think that's special skill that only owned by Jakartans.
Yeah, yeah, I agree with that.
Okay, now let's talk about disadvantages. What do you think about the disadvantages of using public transportation?
The disadvantage, the first one, it's yeah, when the situation it's the crowded, many people use it in the same time. Uh, you need to sharing the place. You need to stand up or you need to sharing the chair, and sometimes you will feel not comfortable in that moment. And in the and yeah some and sometimes you also will uh, if this happen you will get the smell people in around you.
Okay.
It's not that comfort, like uh, we actually we can act like close our nose, but
Mhm,
uh, it's not respectful ya, or not polite
mhm,
when
mhm,
you uh, doing something like that itu it
mhm.
will apa make them feel offended. Nah, that's
And yes, okay. So, okay. It's necessary to owning a private car.
sorry.
Do you think it is important to have our own car nowadays?
mm, it's not necessary I think, but it's nice to have maybe. But yeah, like now the car one it's uh, kind of expensive one. uh, if you uh, uh, if your money is not ready to buy car, uh, don't force it. Don't force to
Mm,
buy the car.
okay, I see. So, have you ever had a plan to own your own car?
Uh, yes, I have planned when uh to have the car one, but maybe like in the priorities, it's not that to in the top ya, at the top ya.
Mhm,
Maybe the priorities for me is one is the communication tools like the handphone or the
mhm,
working tools like laptop or monitor. It's the priority
mhm.
for me. And
Okay,
the more priority for me is the good food.
good
Arek ya,
food.
makanan
Uh,
enak. Ada.
yes, good food come first. Uh,
Yes.
what do you think is the consideration that we have to take before we decided whether we need to buy a car or not?
Oh, uh, maybe like the capability of your
Mm-hmm.
uh, financial.
Okay.
Uh, there is the knowledge that calls sandang pangan papan.
Okay.
The sandang it's the uh, apa? Sandang pangan papan. Sandang pangan papan. It's like the more priorities that you need. One, the first one is the clothes because every go you wear you need the good clothes. Like in office you need to use basic primary needs. Oh yes, in English like basic primary needs. Ya. Like berarti sandang is basic maybe ya.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe yes, basic primary needs like a sandang clothes. It's we need to use it when you go to the office. You need uh, polite cloth maybe with the
Mm-hmm.
uh, kerah apa kerah kal
Kerah,
kerah apa kerah
kerah ini kerah baju.
baju iya ya kerah baju
Okay. Maybe you can. I
ah
think if I'm not mistaken, it's called collar.
color but how you
Yeah.
can set oh maybe I can say like the formal clothes ya right ya the formal
Mm-hmm. Boleh.
clothes
Formal clothes.
we need the formal clothes when you go to the office and the long uh, apa the long
Mm-hmm.
pants and the shoes one. And the second one is you need fulfill your uh, food and drink needs because
Mm-hmm.
there is will be uh, the source of your energy when you mm, yeah the source of your energy to your daily activity. And the
Okay.
third is you need to feel the apa, tinggal dulu tinggal place uh, the live place uh, the tempat tinggal ya you need place to stay or you for the slab or like you need the home first lah or
Mm-hmm.
the housing ya the housing one
Housing.
you can contract or you can buy it uh, it's more primary to full it and when the three of them you already will it and it's already enough for you, you can buy the car one or the others, everything that you want.
Mhm. Yes, 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 I do agree with you. And then, what do you think about, lately that electric vehicle become more popular? What do you think about that?
The electric car, hmm,
Mhm.
hmm, the electric car, maybe for me it's good, yeah, because the goals of the electricity car is to support the sustainability energy in this earth in this our earth uh, they said it's good because it's not give the policy from our car. It will reduce the policy of transportation Uh, but I don't know, yeah, because because to I don't know that argument is right or right, yeah, right or not, because I think to making the electric energy, it's also giving us policy,
Okay.
the air pollution, sorry, the air pollution. Yeah, because the source of electricity like PLN, it's
Mm,
giving us more uh, pollution,
okay.
because they use sometimes they use coal and coal to making the electric.
Mhm. So basically, the sources is the same.
Yes,
Same the
basically the
impact.
source it's same. Yeah.
Okay. Next question. Have you ever had a bad experience while traveling?
Mm, mm. Okay. I think I ever have that's ever happened to me, get bad situation. In that moment, with me with my father, I with my father go to Jakarta, go to Mangga Dua with
Mm,
public transportation, the Transjakarta one, and when you use Transjakarta in the middle road, you need to use the bridge, yeah, the bridge to cross the road,
mm-hmm.
and with uh, and and that moment, when we are at the middle of bridge, the bus coming to the terminal halte,
Bus station.
trans station, bus trans station, and and we need to hurry up our running to get it, and
Get in.
when to get in, and when that happened, we run, and my father still back from me on me, apa ya, tertinggal di belakang tuh kayak,
Or leave
yeah, I live
behind.
there behind, live behind,
Mhm.
still living behind, my father still living behind, but I already to get in, and I uh, uh, ragu gitu, ragu ya. uh, 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 I don't know, should I get in or not, because my father is near, uh, stay behind in there, and uh, uh, so uh, and that moment, the the door of the bus it's closed, and my half body stay in, and half body in stay at uh, outside, and the
Really?
yes, and the door closed, and I very panic, and I uh, apa gedor-gedor, apa cool, I punch the door
Mhm.
very, yeah, it's I managed to uh,
Knock.
knock or punch the door, and scream loudly,
Oh my God.
like hey, driver, I stuck in here, yeah, in English. Hey, driver, I stuck in here. Hey, open the door. And that situation, my father could also panic, and uh, they helped me, and uh, uh, apa, and alhamdulillah lah gitu apa, uh,
Gratefully.
gratefully, 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 the driver opened the door, and uh, and I cry at that moment because I very scared with that situation. In
Oh
my
yeah.
mind, in my mind, I already thought the baddest, the worst scenario, like the move,
Mm-hmm.
like the bus going to move. Like the film called like apa? There's one film that giving some future scenario in their mind. Apa
Mm-hmm.
ya judulnya? What is the title? Final Destination. Nah,
Oh, Final
it's like
Destination.
Final Destination in
Mhm.
I've already thought the worst scenario. Dah, wah,
Um,
keren.
That's so scary. And then, so at the moment, did you still join that bus to commute, or you tend to wait for next bus?
Oh, uh, at that moment, I should to take time to giving my body to taking a break, and
Mhm.
uh, apa menenangkan diri tuh kayak calming myself,
Mhm.
calming
Calming
myself,
down.
calming down.
Mhm. Wow, that's a scary experience.
Okay, yeah,
Mhm.
it the scariest. I think that is one of the scariest that ever happened to me.
Okay, okay. And then after that moment, do you feel kind of, trauma? Okay, I don't want to commute by bus again or something like that.
Uh, Gratefully, it's no, yeah.
Mm.
I not have the trauma one, but I just learned the lesson. Uh, that I learned. It's not. Maybe people will think that I learned it. You cannot, or you shouldn't hurry up or run fast to get in. But that I learned it. Uh, I am very fast, and the people will left behind. So you need to calm down and waiting for them until they're ready to
Mm-hmm.
get in with you. Yeah.
Okay, all right. So you learn from that experience.
Yeah.
Okay. And then, have you ever, oh, okay, I know that you have ever experienced about this, but how do you feel about using ride-hailing apps like Grab or Gojek? What do you think about them?
Sorry.
What do you think about using private taxi bike like
Oh,
Grab or Gojek?
oh yeah. Using the how you said it? Private trans private apa? Private bikes,
Taxi bike.
taxi bikes, oh taxi bike, private taxi bike.
Taxi bike seems
Uh,
like
Taxi bike is very good. It's a very good idea to the make them digitally, because yeah, before that it's already also taxi bike maybe, or but the traditional one, yeah, in Indonesia we call like ojek,
mm-hmm.
uh, yeah, uh, and the ojek, in the traditional one you need to go to the ojek transportation, maybe we can call like the ojek transportation maybe,
Mm-hmm.
and you can get it. But with the taxi bike like Gojek or Grab, you can order from anywhere, like from your home, from the station, uh, uh, from the station, and yeah, anywhere place you can order them. Not only the anywhere, in the city you also can order them anywhere. Oh,
Whenever.
whenever, sorry. Whenever,
Whenever and wherever.
whenever and wherever. Oh yes, wherever. Yes, that's a good point of that using taxi bike.
Okay, I see. What is your most memorable experience when you ride a taxi bike?
Uh, Apa? Memorable
Yes. Have you ever had a memorable experience when you ride a taxi bike?
taxi bike. Taxi
Maybe because of the driver or unusual experience?
experience. Hmm, 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 hmm. I think no, yeah. When ever I use the taxi bike like Gojek or Grab, it's just like the other just normally things that happen to me.
Mm-hmm.
There's no moment for that.
Okay, okay. Have you ever, I mean, like, have a very long trips like by train or by bus
Oh,
to go to some place?
eh, uh, in some place. Maybe the place uh, that I ever visiting the far apa ya, terjauh far the farthest the far the farthest place,
The
tempat
farthest,
terjauh, far fathers
farthest.
fathers
Yes.
fathers. Can you spell it or maybe type that?
Wait, the
Write it
farthest
down.
place.
The farthest. Oh yeah, farthest. The farthest place that I ever visited. It's I think Bali. Uh, Bali is the farthest place that I ever visited. When go to Bali, I go to it the plane, and but uh, if we saw in the time POV, it's not long as
Mhm.
but maybe if we saw the time POV, I will choose the Nganjuk. Nganjuk is my father hometown.
Mhm.
Uh, in that moment uh, in that moment we going with the car and
Mhm.
the most distant place, the most distant place. Uh, when we go to Nganjuk, we use the car and uh, we stop in the highway because the the situation uh, famous enough to remind it that called Pejagan. If you know like the moment of the Pejagan traffic or the yeah macetnya Pejagan, we uh, in the normal situation
Mhm.
with that time in like 2015 maybe yeah, around that normally we can take times like 18 hours, but
Okay.
in that moment we take the 30 hours to arrive that place because
Wow.
the traffic is very crowded.
Mhm. What is the causes? Is there any event or something that cause the long traffic?
The long traffic that cause big in the
Mm-hmm.
Pejagan Gateway, many people want to get out from that gateway, but
Mm-hmm.
because of the traffic jam, usually when we went get out of the highway with some gate, we use like two nearest road to the left one, the
Mm-hmm.
the left two, two nearest road to get out. But in that highway, they have four roads, but uh, uh, the all four roads, people use all four road to get out Pejagan. So uh, the people that use the rightest road also want to go to the left side,
Mm-hmm.
and the people that the kind of people that it's blocking the other people also.
Okay.
And the pejagan, I don't know what kind moment that make them pejagan in the outside the highway,
Mm-hmm.
why they got traffic jam in there. I don't know what the moment.
Okay, all right. So you just arrived after 30 hours.
Yes, we just
Mm,
arrived 30 hours.
I see, I see. Oh yeah. Oh, when you drive something, you go to other place, it's common by car, not with car. Jadi lebih umum pakai by car.
By car. Okay.
Ya, pakai mobil. Or kalau misal used car itu, kalau used tuh konteksnya kayak menggunakan sesuatu gitu.
Mm-mm.
Kalau misal mau lebih
Mm,
spesifik lagi, you can say drive a car.
drive car.
Yes, drive a car. If you
Car.
buy motorbike or ride motorbike, mengendarai.
Uh, 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 but when we uh, in that car, we as the participant, passenger
Passenger.
passenger participant passenger, uh, can I use the drive a car one or just by car?
Just say it by car. Drive a
Just it
car
by
if
car.
you drive it by yourself.
Okay, okay.
Yes. Okay, right. And then, do you prefer to use drive a car or ride a motorbike when you have to travel to other place?
uh, mm, I prefer the use I prefer drive a car. Sorry. I prefer drive a car.
Mm-hmm.
Because when you drive a car, you will not getting a hot that cause the sun,
Mm-hmm.
and when the night uh, in the night when you drive car, you will not getting cold of your body.
I see. So it gives you more safety.
Yes, it's giving us more safety.
Okay, I see. And then talking about transportation, what change that you think government or yeah, the authority should done to make your public transportation in your city better?
Sorry, can you repeat it?
Mm-hmm. What changes or improvement that's needed
Hmm?
by public
Okay.
transportation in your city?
Oh, oh, uh, what the improvement that their needs, the improvement.
Yes. Yes.
The improvement, I think, uh, uh, hmm, I think they need to adding the transportation more or multiply the transportation more
Mhm.
so I can get the chair to see it. Yeah,
Okay.
in the in the
Okay.
in the chaos hours. Oh, you say yeah, in the
Mhm.
chaos hour on or the office hour. I think
Mhm.
they need to multiply it. So the situation in that transportation is not too crowded to join it. Rush hour, yeah, rush hour. Wait, rush hour.
So they
Rush
have
hour is like apa yang in Indonesian like uh,
jam sibuk.
jam sibuk. Oh,
That's
rush
right,
hour.
rush hour. If you say office hour, it means the time when people working. Usually 9 to 5,
Oh,
it's called office hour. But if you say that the time when people commute and the same time, you can say that it is rush hour.
okay, rush hour.
Okay.
In
Mm,
the morning, I also in the evening too. It's
yes,
still
it is
called rush hour.
rush
Okay,
hour. Jam sibuk.
jam
Okay.
sibuk.
And then, is there any other improvement that you think it's needed by public transport?
Hmm, hmm. Maybe about the public transportation, we also there need to mm, multiply the path, uh, especially in Regency or in the yeah in Regency, not only in Jakarta, because I think like in Regency it's there is lack of public transportation.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think
Okay.
they need so adding more public transportation in Regency or village.
I see, I see. All right. Do you think your city, I mean, like your hometown, has a good road infrastructure?
The infrastructure good road. Hmm, the
Mm,
road I think in my city it's good enough yeah.
okay.
Uh, for me because yeah daily I just stay in the city in big city
Mm-hmm.
like Jakarta or Bekasi. Bekasi, uh, actually my hometown is from Bekasi Regency, uh, uh, but the road is still good enough for to use it.
And what about when you have to travel for a long trip or a long time? Do you prefer to travel alone, but or you need someone
Hmm. Okay. When
company?
travel, I prefer with my friends. Sorry, with my friends or the other person yeah. Because the traveling I love that I love travel but the moment that I love it's with the person I love uh when with the other peoples we can uh talking to each other and uh get the moment together it's more
Mhm.
valuable for me it will giving
Mhm.
more memorable a good memory for me.
Okay. All right. But have you ever traveled alone in a long time, in a long trip?
Mm, long trip.
Mhm.
Mm, in a long trip, and never trip alone
Oh, okay.
because when trip in a long trip, basically you use the much money and I still young, maybe not that
Mm.
have uh, good apa money, good, not have enough money to trip myself on.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right. Let's move to talk about, have you ever heard about self-driving cars?
Self-driving cars. Oh yes, I
Yeah.
ever heard about
Mhm.
that.
Okay. What do you think?
Uh, uh, it's scary for me actually. Uh,
Why?
actually, yeah, I amazed and scary also. Yeah, and
Mm.
I amazed because I am also one of people that will can build that technology. Yeah, because it
Okay.
related to my field also. But uh, sometimes I feel kind of scary also
Mhm.
because when yeah, I know the
Mhm.
technology is sometimes sometimes it will making a bug or the situation that we never thought, we
Mhm.
never expectation not expected when that happen because it's a car, and yeah, in car many people in there, and the other side also when the bug happen it will giving some of uh, korban apa korban Eh, eh, korban apa will make some
Victims.
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 Even in uh, apa, crash it's also say victim, kayak
Yes.
korban meninggal gitu.
Yes, it can also call victims.
Oke.
Okay, wow, it is already 9 p.m., Brodria.
Oh ya. Ah,
Mhm. All right. What about today's session? What should be improved? I
eh
mean, like, is there any kind of request?
uh, I don't know. Mm, I think uh, in day two in ya sekarang nggak
Mhm.
sesmooth sebelumnya ya. Kenapa ya? Kadang aku bisa ngomong cukup smooth, kadang banyak banget emnya gitu. Kayak sekarang tuh ngerasa kayak banyak banget kosakata yang lupa. Sedangkan aku
Okay.
ngerasa kemarin itu kosakatanya banyak, cukup banyak yang keinget sama aku. Yang
Oh,
sekarang
I
mungkin
see.
karena topik-topik tertentu yang
Mhm.
oh ya, topik-topik tertentu kali ya. Karena
Mhm.
eh, perkenalan kemarin kan termasuk perkenalan banyak sesi-sesi eh, eh, to know each other
Mhm.
itu cukup terlatih mungkin ya. Mungkin ya kan itu ya, mungkin cukup terlatih banyak
Maybe.
situasi-situasi yang sering ditanyakan karena kan
Mhm.
uh, before this I getting a job, I am also a job seeker and
Mhm.
I get some many interview.
Okay.
They want to know me more, and yeah,
Mhm.
the question is
It's quite
similar.
similar.
It's quite similar, so I can answer more, yeah, more smooth lah.
Yeah,
Dibanding
probably it's
sekarang
because the topic that you feel,
topiknya.
probably it's unfamiliar for
Ah
you
ya,
to talk about this. I mean, like,
hmm,
you experience this, but it's rare for you to talk about this topic, about your trip
hmm,
experience, about your opinion in
oke oke.
public about transportation. And it's okay. That's why I bring this topic so you can expand your wider vocabulary about topical question that I.
Hmm, oke.
Okay. Any question or something that you want to say before we close the class?
eh Berarti eh kita bakal selalu pakai ini ya materi yang basic dua ini ya, tinggal D-nya aja.
Ya,
Oke oke.
nanti kita pakai materi yang basic tuh itu. Di modul itu ada vocabulary list juga, cuma vocabulary-nya cukup dasar. Jadi nanti
Oke.
ada expression-expression juga yang bisa dibaca-baca aja. sih.
Oke, oke.
Oke.
Oke, mungkin mau tahu sedikit aja secara
Mhm.
sedikit. Eh, kan tahu grammar itu maksudnya penyusunan kata yang kayak eh, tense itu cukup banyak ya. Ada nggak yang kayak eh, priority tense or yang paling sering digunakan tuh apa aja gitu
Oh,
dari total
oke.
tense itu?
Iya, biasanya kalau misal yang sering umum dipakai itu ada sekitar 4 atau 5. The first one is simple present, the second
Oke,
is simple past, and
oke,
then simple future,
oke.
present continuous, and present perfect.
So, simple present, simple past, simple future.
Future,
Oke. Tadi sorry,
okay.
the fourth is
Present continuous,
present continuous and last
yeah. And the last present perfect.
present. Oke, maybe
Yeah.
I will learn it duluan ya, belajar duluan lebih.
Iya,
Sering belajar tapi sering lupa.
iya, itu sih
Kalau
yang paling sering
sering
dipakai.
sering belajar,
5
ya
itu.
oke.
Kalau yang lain-lain mungkin pelengkap aja.
Tambahan ya.
Mm.
Oke, oke.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, Brodian, don't forget to fill the in WhatsApp your name and also what
Oh ya,
WhatsApp number.
I already done. I already
Oh,
write it ya. Oke,
oh, okay. All right then.
oke. Thank you
Okay,
for
thank you
reminder.
so much, Brodrian. See you tomorrow.
Oke,
Assalamualaikum.
thank you. See you tomorrow.